Can I skip school today? Can I skip school today?
No, you must go to school. No, you must go to school.
Do I need to wear a helmet? Do I need to wear a helmet?
Yes, you must wear a helmet. Yes, you must wear a helmet.
Can I park anywhere? Can I park anywhere?
No, you must park in the right place. No, you must park in the right place.
Can I drive without a license? Can I drive without a license?
No, you must have a license to drive. No, you must have a license to drive.
Do I need a ticket to enter the movie? Do I need a ticket to enter the movie?
Yes, you must have a ticket. Yes, you must have a ticket.
Can I use my phone while driving? Can I use my phone while driving?
No, you must not use your phone while driving. No, you must not use your phone while driving.
Do I need a passport for travel? Do I need a passport for travel?
Yes, you must have a passport. Yes, you must have a passport.
Can I stay in a hotel without an ID? Can I stay in a hotel without an ID?
No, you must show your ID. No, you must show your ID.
Should I pay my bills on time? Should I pay my bills on time?
Yes, you must pay your bills. Yes, you must pay your bills.
Is it okay to cross on a red light? Is it okay to cross on a red light?
No, you must wait for the green light. No, you must wait for the green light.
Should I take a break from work sometimes? Should I take a break from work sometimes?
Yes, you should take short breaks. Yes, you should take short breaks.
Can I use too much salt in food? Can I use too much salt in food?
No, you should eat less salt. No, you should eat less salt.
Should I take deep breaths when stressed? Should I take deep breaths when stressed?
Yes, you should try deep breathing. Yes, you should try deep breathing.
Is it okay to ignore small problems? Is it okay to ignore small problems?
No, you should fix them early. No, you should fix them early.
Should I drink milk daily? Should I drink milk daily?
Yes, you should for strong bones. Yes, you should for strong bones.
Can I forget to charge my phone before a trip? Can I forget to charge my phone before a trip?
No, you should charge it before leaving. No, you should charge it before leaving.
Should I keep learning new skills? Should I keep learning new skills?
Yes, you should always learn new things. Yes, you should always learn new things.
Is it a good idea to eat too many sweets? Is it a good idea to eat too many sweets?
No, you should eat them in moderation. No, you should eat them in moderation.
Should I read books instead of watching TV? Should I read books instead of watching TV?
Yes, you should read more books. Yes, you should read more books.
Can I spend all my money? Can I spend all my money?
No, you should save some for emergencies. No, you should save some for emergencies.
Should I take care of my health? Should I take care of my health?
Yes, you should stay healthy. Yes, you should stay healthy.
Can I talk while eating? Can I talk while eating?
No, you should eat quietly. No, you should eat quietly.
Should I be kind to animals? Should I be kind to animals?
Yes, you should be gentle. Yes, you should be gentle.
Can I be rude to others? Can I be rude to others?
No, you should always be polite. No, you should always be polite.
Should I eat on time? Should I eat on time?
Yes, you should eat at the right time. Yes, you should eat at the right time.
Can I skip drinking water? Can I skip drinking water?
No, you should drink enough water. No, you should drink enough water.
Should I take my medicine on time? Should I take my medicine on time?
Yes, you should follow the schedule. Yes, you should follow the schedule.
Can I waste food? Can I waste food?
No, you should not waste food. No, you should not waste food.
Should I work hard? Should I work hard?
Yes, you should always do your best. Yes, you should always do your best.
Can I forget to smile? Can I forget to smile?
No, you should smile often. No, you should smile often.
Can I use my phone in a meeting? Can I use my phone in a meeting?
No, you must keep it on silent. No, you must keep it on silent.
Is it okay to park in a disabled spot? Is it okay to park in a disabled spot?
No, you must not park there without permission. No, you must not park there without permission.
Do I need to close the door when I leave home? Do I need to close the door when I leave home?
Yes, you must lock it. Yes, you must lock it.
Can I throw plastic in the ocean? Can I throw plastic in the ocean?
No, you must protect the environment. Yes. No, you must protect the environment. Yes.
Do I need to return borrowed books? Do I need to return borrowed books?
Yes, you must return them on time. Yes, you must return them on time.
Can I leave work without telling my boss? Can I leave work without telling my boss?
No, you must inform your boss first. No, you must inform your boss first.
Do I need to be quiet in a hospital? Do I need to be quiet in a hospital?
Yes, you must be respectful. Yes, you must be respectful.
Is it okay to cross the road anywhere? Is it okay to cross the road anywhere?
No, you must use the crosswalk. No, you must use the crosswalk.
Should I pay for public transport? Should I pay for public transport?
Yes, you must buy a ticket. Yes, you must buy a ticket.
Do I need to turn off my phone on a plane? Do I need to turn off my phone on a plane?
Yes, you must switch it off or use airplane mode. Yes, you must switch it off or use airplane mode.
Should I spend time with family? Should I spend time with family?
Yes, you should spend more time with them. Yes, you should spend more time with them.
Can I talk loudly in a movie theater? Can I talk loudly in a movie theater?
No, you should stay quiet. No, you should stay quiet.
Should I take an umbrella if it's cloudy? Should I take an umbrella if it's cloudy?
Yes, you should take one. Yes, you should take one.
Is it okay to skip breakfast? Is it okay to skip breakfast?
No, you should eat breakfast every day. No, you should eat breakfast every day.
Should I drink coffee at night? Should I drink coffee at night?
No, you should avoid it. No, you should avoid it.
Can I leave my home messy? Can I leave my home messy?
No, you should keep it clean. No, you should keep it clean.
Should I listen to my parents? Should I listen to my parents?
Yes, you should respect them. Yes, you should respect them.
Is it good to be kind to others? Is it good to be kind to others?
Yes, you should always be kind. Yes, you should always be kind.
Should I wear sunglasses in the sun? Should I wear sunglasses in the sun?
Yes, you should protect your eyes. Yes, you should protect your eyes.
Can I forget my umbrella on a rainy day? Can I forget my umbrella on a rainy day?
No, you should carry it with you. No, you should carry it with you.
Do I need to follow school rules? Do I need to follow school rules?
Yes, you must follow them. Yes, you must follow them.
Can I take something without permission? Can I take something without permission?
No, you must ask permission. No, you must ask permission.
Do I need to wear a seatbelt in a taxi? Do I need to wear a seatbelt in a taxi?
Yes, you must wear a seatbelt. Yes, you must wear a seatbelt.
Is it okay to drive fast in a school zone? Is it okay to drive fast in a school zone?
No, you must drive slowly. No, you must drive slowly.
Do I need a boarding pass to get on a plane? Do I need a boarding pass to get on a plane?
Yes, you must have a boarding pass. Yes, you must have a boarding pass.
Can I enter a concert without a ticket? Can I enter a concert without a ticket?
No, you must have a ticket. No, you must have a ticket.
Should I wear a mask in the hospital? Should I wear a mask in the hospital?
Yes, you must wear one for safety. Yes, you must wear one for safety.
Can I enter an exam without my ID? Can I enter an exam without my ID?
No, you must bring your ID. No, you must bring your ID.
Is it okay to leave a store without paying? Is it okay to leave a store without paying?
No, you must pay first. No, you must pay first.
Do I need to show my passport at the airport? Do I need to show my passport at the airport?
Yes, you must show it. Yes, you must show it.
Should I wake up early? Should I wake up early?
Yes, you should wake up early. Yes, you should wake up early.
Can I eat fast food every day? Can I eat fast food every day?
No, you should eat healthy food. No, you should eat healthy food.
Should I drink water before sleeping? Should I drink water before sleeping?
Yes, you should drink some water. Yes, you should drink some water.
Can I sleep late every night? Can I sleep late every night?
No, you should sleep early. No, you should sleep early.
Should I exercise daily? Should I exercise daily?
Yes, you should exercise to stay fit. Yes, you should exercise to stay fit.
Can I use my phone before bed? Can I use my phone before bed?
No, you should avoid screens before sleeping. No, you should avoid screens before sleeping.
Should I check my car before a long trip? Should I check my car before a long trip?
Yes, you should check everything. Yes, you should check everything.
Is it good to help my neighbors? Is it good to help my neighbors?
Yes, you should help them. Yes, you should help them.
Should I wash my hands before eating? Should I wash my hands before eating?
Yes, you should wash them. No. Yes, you should wash them. No.
Can I waste water? Can I waste water?
No, you should save water. No, you should save water.
Can I smoke in a hospital? Can I smoke in a hospital?
No, you must not smoke there. No, you must not smoke there.
Do I need to lock my house before leaving? Do I need to lock my house before leaving?
Yes, you must lock your house. Yes, you must lock your house.
Can I enter the exam hall late? Can I enter the exam hall late?
No, you must arrive on time. No, you must arrive on time.
Is it okay to throw garbage on the road? Is it okay to throw garbage on the road?
No, you must throw it in the bin. No, you must throw it in the bin.
Do I need to wear shoes in the office? Do I need to wear shoes in the office?
Yes, you must follow the dress code. Yes, you must follow the dress code.
Can I talk loudly in a library? Can I talk loudly in a library?
No, you must keep quiet. No, you must keep quiet.
Should I return library books on time? Should I return library books on time?
Yes, you must return them on time. Yes, you must return them on time.
Do I need to wear a uniform at school? Do I need to wear a uniform at school?
Yes, you must wear your uniform. Yes, you must wear your uniform.
Can I take someone's phone without asking? Can I take someone's phone without asking?
No, you must ask first. No, you must ask first.
Should I wash my hands before eating? Should I wash my hands before eating?
Yes, you must wash them. Yes, you must wash them.